Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display enclosure. Removal. Remove the POGO connector ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the POGO connector to the display enclosure. Lift the POGO connector off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Place the POGO connector in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the POGO connector from the static dissipative bag. Place the POGO connector onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the POGO connector to the display enclosure. Apply pressure to the POGO connector ribbon cable to adhere it to the display enclosure.